Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a DocuSign link. This is incredibly useful when you need to share a signing link directly with someone or access a document that's already been sent out. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account where your documents are stored, as this is essential for accessing the agreements you've previously sent. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your DocuSign dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several menu options. From these options, click on Agreements. This section is where all your documents, both sent and received, are organized and managed. It's the central hub for everything related to your DocuSign activity. Once you're in the Agreements section, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see various categories listed there, including options like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. For our purpose, click on Sent. This will filter your view to show only the documents you've sent out to others for signing. It's a quick way to locate the specific document you need without sifting through your entire document library. Now browse through the list of sent documents and locate the specific DocuSign document you want to get a link for. Once you've found it, look right beside the document name. You'll see several action buttons, and among them you'll want to click on Sign. This action initiates the process of accessing the signing interface for that particular document. After clicking Sign, a new screen will appear. Here you'll see a button that says Continue. Go ahead and click on it. This step takes you directly to the signing page of the document, which is exactly where we need to be to grab the link. Now comes the final and most important step. Look at the very top of your browser window where the URL address bar is located. This is where the direct link to your DocuSign document is displayed. Simply click on this URL to highlight it. Then right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut to copy it. This link is what you'll share with others or save for your own reference. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your DocuSign link. This link can now be shared via email, messaging apps, or however you need to distribute it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.